Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you all about cosmology, the beginning and end of our universe. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get started. So what is cosmology? Cosmology is a branch of astronomy that studies the chronology of the universe. Cosmic theories explain how the universe began and how the universe might end. In this video, I will explain some of those theories. The Big Bang Theory. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre came up with the Big Bang Theory. According to the Big Bang Theory, all matter in the universe was once packed together at one small and dense point called a singularity. But then, in a fraction of a second, it all exploded in a Big Bang. The universe then started expanding at a very fast rate and is still expanding today. Several years later, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that other galaxies are moving away from Milky Way and that the farthest galaxies are moving faster than the ones that are close to us. This means that the universe is still expanding, just like Georges Lemaitre thought. And if things are moving apart now, then that means at one point they all had been close together. Hence, the Big Bang Theory seems fairly practical, and it is the most widely accepted theory for how the universe began. The aftermath of the Big Bang. A lot happened after the Big Bang. The universe started expanding at a very drastic rate after the Big Bang happened. Stars, planets, galaxies, comets, and all other things formed after the Big Bang. So what happened is that when the universe was born, there was a lot of energy and light. As the universe cooled down, energy changed into particles of matter and antimatter. These two particle types are opposite, and therefore they destroyed each other. After that, more stable particles called protons and neutrons started to form. Once the temperature dropped to below 1 billion degrees Celsius, protons and neutrons came together to form hydrogen and helium nuclei. The nuclei then captured electrons to form atoms. Those atoms made nebula, clouds of hydrogen and helium, which formed the first stars. At the same time, galaxies were forming. As the new stars were forming and dying, other things such as planets, asteroids, black holes, and etc. were also forming. Now that we've talked about how the universe began, let's talk about how we think the universe might end. One of these theories is the Big Rip theory. According to the Big Rip theory, at one point in the future, the expansion of the universe will tear apart the whole universe, meaning that all matter in the universe, from stars and galaxies to atoms and even space-time, will be torn apart by the Big Rip. How so? Well, there is a form of energy in space called dark energy that is making the universe expand. As the universe will expand, so will the dark energy. While it does, dark energy transforms into another form called phantom energy. As this is happening, the phantom energy will increase faster than the expansion of the universe. Eventually, there will be so much phantom energy that it will tear apart the universe until the distances between particles in the universe will be infinite. The good news is that the Big Rip will at least not occur until 20 billion years from now. At that point, humanity will be long gone due to other situations in our own solar system and planet. The Big Crunch theory and the Big Bounce theory. Another theory that theorizes the fate of our universe is the Big Crunch theory. According to the Big Crunch theory, in billions or maybe trillions of years in the future, the universe will stop expanding. Instead, the expansion of the universe will reverse and it will then start contracting. After that will happen, the cosmic scale factor will reach zero. That would cause everything to be packed together in a singularity. This could start another Big Bang. The Big Bounce theory ties into the Big Crunch theory because according to the Big Bounce theory, our universe is cyclically expanding and contracting, and that the Big Bang that started the current universe could have been the result of the collapse of the previous universe. So basically, the Big Bang theory says that there is a Big Bang and Big Crunch cycle that makes our universe cyclically expand and contract. The Big Freeze theory. Finally, the Big Freeze theory, also known as the heat death, is another theory that theorizes the end of our universe. According to the Big Freeze, in trillions of years, the universe would have expanded so much that heat and energy would be spread evenly over vast distances. Because the universe would have expanded so much, no distant galaxies would be visible from Earth. At that point, Milky Way would have already merged with its neighbor galaxies. Star formation would cease since the gases that make the stars would be out of supply and the materials would be too far apart to actually form stars. We are eventually going to run out of stars since no new stars will form and the old stars will die out. When this will happen, the temperature of the universe will be very, very close to absolute zero. After that, stellar remnants will fall apart and black holes will consume all remaining matter. But black holes themselves are not immortal, because according to the Hawking's radiation, black holes evaporate after googol's of years. So basically, after googol's of years, even black holes will evaporate and the universe will just be an empty void. And now, if these scenarios that theorize the end of our universe scared you, the good news is that none of these scenarios will occur soon, or at least not in a few billions or trillions of years from now. And by the time one of these scenarios occur, humanity will be long gone. There are other dangers that humanity and Earth will face only in the next few million years, such as global warming, pollution, and the sun. Yes, the sun. The sun will get hotter in the few million years ahead of us, and eventually all our oceans will evaporate because of the temperature. In about 3 billion years, the sun will swallow Earth. Luckily, none of these disasters will happen in the near future or our lifetime. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more informational videos. Until next time.